take the third exit onto A70.
What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
What's the speed limit? I don't know. I'm in a big rush to get to the red light, clearly.
The decision to cut the overseas aid budget. The weather dry and clear for most places, cloud and drizzle.
Oh, that beamer's not hanging about.
Of 9 Celsius.
It's a 40 zone on it, well.
I'm Dave Cox. There are delays on the M20.
Oh, look who it is, stuck at the red light. It's the chap from earlier who doesn't know what speed limits are.
Night and drive.
Got far, didn't you, mate?
Northern services are suspended between Moorgate and Finsbury.
Oh, Mr. Cack, what are you doing? All that, and I've got past you anyway. Turning right. Haha.
We go inside it, jaws a flyway. Private, do what we just come and go like a mark.
See Vauxhall speeding. Look at them all there.
Also around here, sometimes power prices are
You can't even see the stop line, you idiot! It's a red light! What are you doing? What a moron!
Didn't even stop.
Awareness of a vegetable, clearly. Could have been a lorry coming along, skeg. Would have killed him.
No, no entry there, man.
I just thought, oh my god, I don't want that to happen.
That's the worst place you could possibly pull over, isn't it? That is the worst place to pull over, right on a bend on a junction.
Towards Staines right now. Elsewhere across the county, queuing back towards the railway bridge. Going to slow you down by 15 minutes on the A4. But middle of Headley, going to delay you on the way in and then through Headley on the Reading Road by the best part.
Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. You could have literally gone behind me if you were going to take that lot, rather than overtake me and then pull in front. Actually sticks the middle finger up at me.
Don't prick on you, Mr. Bentley. Hey, Mr. Bentley driver. Don't prick, Mr. Bentley driver. It's twice now.
Dominic Cummings explained a year ago today. You can hear much more of that in more detail just before the end of the programme at 7 o'clock. Many people prepare to go down and
yeah, good afternoon.
Hi.
Hi. Completely concur with the previous caller in his analysis. Listen, you and I, cabinet minister, debate and have a brainstorm.
Look at him right up the arse of our Dacia.
Well, that's a great idea.
Penis.
We'll go with that. All the cabinet ministers were briefed. Everybody was there ready, one by one. Remember them all watching.
Yeah, and I think when you listen to his interview, there's a sense of
James, look around you right now.
When did you two get married? Talking to each other like that.
What?
What's going on there? It's the green light, you melon. What are you doing?
To be fair, this is confusing because technically that's the red light
No,
for the crossing.
No, because you're turning into.
No, I know,
the
but you
junction.
see what I mean? It's
There's no line either.
But anyway.
Kettle's on.
See if we get a space, maybe a bit nearer. Oh, way up. Oh dear, what's happened here? Bad lads. In trouble.
Look at that, beautiful.
You think it's cute? It's wheel line straight.
That's what I wanted. I wanted a proper old-fashioned one like that.
Old Escort. Very old Escort. Crikey. Okay, fair enough. I am
But I mean, like, if they run out of bottles, I would take that.
In half a mile.
That would be nice if you put your phone down.